Start by lining your air fryer basket with parchment paper and flour tortilla right on top. You can use a regular 8-inch one, but if you're feeling fancy, go with spinach or whole wheat. Grab your favorite tomato sauce, spoon on 3 to 4 tablespoons, and spread it out evenly, edge to edge. Next up, corn. Use about 85 grams of drained canned corn and sprinkle it evenly across the top. Grab a few slices of ham and either slice them into strips or just tear them up with your hands. Whatever's quicker. Just spread them out evenly so every bite gets a little love. Time to dress it up. Slice 4 to 5 cherry tomatoes into thin rounds and arrange them however you like. We went for a flower pattern because even air fryer food deserves a little flair. Plus, when those tomatoes roast, they get sweet and jammy. Total game changer. Sprinkle on a bit of dried oregano, just enough to give it that herby Italian vibe. Time for the mozzarella. We usually skip the pre-shredded stuff though, as you never really know how old it is or what kind of quality you're getting. You'll need about 100 grams, or a good handful. Now cover that tortilla from edge to edge. Because let's be honest, when it comes to cheese, more is always the right answer. Alright, everything's prepped. Time to bring it all together. Set it to 190 degrees Celsius and cook for 10 minutes. While that's cooking, let us know what would you add to this recipe. We're always open to new ideas, especially the tasty ones. And there it is. Melty, toasty, and looking seriously delicious. Crispy tortilla, melted cheese, juicy tomatoes, and sweet corn. Simple ingredients and flavor combo. Let us know in the comments what ingredients you would add to this recipe. We would love to hear new ideas. Hit that like button, subscribe for more easy, delicious meals, and we will see you in the next video. But if you're still hungry, check out some of our other recipes. We've got plenty more tasty ideas waiting.